A day after a suspected IED exploded at Nagampal yesterday, another suspected powerful IED went off today at the residential gate of an EE of Agriculture Department at KHURAI, Thoidingjam Laikai under Porompat Police Station in Imphal East. No casualty has been reported in the bomb blast. According to a report, the bomb exploded at around 3:50 a.m. at the residential gate of R.K. Virendra, 59 years, son of R.K. Karnajit. A footage captured at CCTV camera showed a four-wheeler vehicle coming from KHURAI Lamlong side parked near the entry road of R.K. Virendra at around 3:34 a.m. An unidentified person was seen coming out from the car and immediately fled away after entering near the gate of R.K. Virendra. After a few minutes of gap, at around 3:37 a.m., the unknown person returned back and planted the bomb. The unknown person immediately left in the car after planting the bomb. At around 3:50 a.m., the planted powerful bomb went off near the gate. One Suzuki Brezza car, one Maruti van and one Maruti 800 car parked inside the residence of R.K. Virendra, and house window and neighboring house windows were reportedly damaged from the impact of the blast, as there was no proper gate. It may be mentioned that R.K. Virendra is currently holding the post of Executive Engineer at Agriculture Department. A team of Porompat Police, led by its OC and Bomb Disposal Squad and Forensic Science team, rushed to the blast site and took stock of the situation and conducted spot inquiry. A case has been registered at Porompat Police Station and investigation is underway, the report said.
Ngasagi mirakta suguma boma se pokai matamda asina yawba kopa sokpan yawba yamna thodok se thorom baya adu kanagumba mi singna suguma thodok asi ton bidanaba akoi matung mana amona thon bidanaba airiba maigai singda nungai dab leiba targa su akoi gi wahi wata sing kai kai no haiba mating adu tobina ba nengsing jado mase thoina mase demand gi matang da di akoi na yumbu jiga wari sajama matamda demand gi matang da di thoino kano leite na haibi adu adai thangnaba yum su loina ba akoi mi wandaba yawe adai yum kai to su loina ba thobne adu kariguma koigi ayung dinda kariguma toramba taraga de masi yam laibak thiba koi misimina yawa thodo adu oramba ya adu akoi kolup chi mi yam kungba adagi yamna kano to yam remote famdi masi ek thangnaba da su oil pam lay aduna masi yarge sugum masi matung muna amon to bidana ba akoi me dai thongda